We have a flock of cardinals that eat bird seed in our backyard all day, every day. But they're kind of shocked by the big flock of birds that flew in and fly out. They're just kind of standing there like, wow, what is all this? And they jump up in the tree and they think, I don't know about all this. There are a lot of them. The crowd, or the flock of birds, wraps clear around the house. There's more than I can see now because I saw them earlier and they moved that direction. I'm looking out of my office window while I'm rewriting my book. I enjoy watching the birds, but we have just, mainly cardinals eating the seed right now. But we also have there's a goldfinch right there. And some little juncos. Anyway, we enjoy looking at the birds outside our window in Hollywood, Arkansas, out in the country.